This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits for the Waterlily candle. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your Waterlily candle holder, as well as the supplies needed. To begin, lay flat your first coffee filter over a sheet of aluminum foil. Using markers, draw circular lines on your coffee filter, alternating colors and adding design. Next, using the sponge brush, layer glue over your coffee filter. This will give a watercolor effect to your coffee filter. Peel the coffee filter off the sheet of aluminum foil and drape over a cup and allow it to fully dry. This will help the filter to take the shape of the cup. Repeat with the second coffee filter. Allow to fully dry before handling. In the meantime, begin drawing your leaves on the provided sheets of green and white paper. Make the leaves big and use different shades of green to color them in. Cut the leaves out. Optionally, you can also use the provided green glitter glue to give a glittery effect to your leaves. The glue will also help the leaves stick together in order to create a base for the water lily to sit on. Once the coffee filters have dried, glue them onto the leaves and place an electric tea light candle in the middle. The light will shine through the flower, giving an illuminating effect. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.